Welcome back. This is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and today we're going to do an unboxing of another pair of Alfred Sargent shoes. Now, this pair is a little different. This is part of what they're calling the exclusive line, which I believe is supposed to be similar to the hand grade line. And this is Burgundy, and it's been a while since I've ordered a pair of Burgundy shoes, and I'm excited to get back into Burgundy. Most of my Burgundy is Shell Cordovan, and this is exclusive. You can see that they have the face of Sargent, and so it's a different interior label. And then the lining, what's interesting is around the back, the lining is almost the same material as the upper. And then they have a really, really super soft leather on the interior as well. Now, when you look at the detailing around the shoe, this is all typical Alfred Sargent. There's no fudging, but you know, the stitch density is very good. As a matter of fact, it goes right up to the edge. They've really kept this tight so that it's not, you know, protruding from the shoe very far, which is very, very attractive. You know, this is kind of getting close to a spade sole. They really kind of have it so it flares a little bit, but not much. It's not a spade sole, but it does flare a bit. And then, of course, the same finishings that we saw in the Moore. Okay, same heel. Okay, so this is not a pitched heel. This is straight, but it's very tight, and it does curve in so that it really stays tight to the shape of the shoe, which is very nice. And then there is this bevel on the sole as well. It's not quite fiddleback, and you know, some of the early pictures I've seen have been looked like it was closer to fiddleback, but this is really not. It's really a bevel. And then the waists themselves, you know, this is a 270-degree welt, so you can see the stitching go all the way to the edge here. But this part here is beveled. Now, it looks like it's beveled probably with a machine. It's not really beveled at the top, so it's kind of beveled, but not where you would see it like on a handmade bevel. Now, this one on the outside here is very nice up here, and then a little bit straighter in the back there, so almost square. So it's kind of a cool, you know, transition that they've done. Now, what's also interesting about this is that the broguing is a diamond shape. Isn't that cool? Again, very different than what I've seen before. So I was curious as to what would be different between the Brunswick and the Moore, because they really do look like they may be on the same last, but this type of detail is very different. Something I didn't see or notice in any of the pictures, but is a very interesting detail here. Now, you know, you can actually, if you want to patina these, you could do the inside of the brogue holes like in a white and have like a little spectator effect. I like the way it is now where it's very subtle. So very, very fine box calf on the upper. Really tight everywhere on the shoe, just like you'd expect from Alfred Sargent. So very excited about these. Definitely upgraded, you know, interior of the shoe, you know, to the point where you can absolutely feel it, and I think that that's part of the cool thing. So some brands will refer to it like a glove leather. Honestly, this feels like upper leather, and I think that that's pretty cool all by itself. So that's the unboxing. I can't wait to get these on the hoof and include them as part of my UK brands rotation. So this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy, and I'm out. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.